If I follow the instructions of AI, can it lead me to a profit, or is it going to cost me a ton of money? I'm going to find out. So I'm going to let AI help me create a business name, business logo, business ideas, marketing, strategy, all of it. All right, help me choose a business name that is about drones and AI-powered assistance in photography and videography. All right, so after I was able to use the ChatGPT function to search a business name, the name that I was able to come up with is Smart Sky Studios. Hopefully that's going to be the name of the business, but like I said, I'm following each of those steps. So starting with the business name, let's go ahead and dive in and get my domain name, register my business, get an LLC, and I'm going to be using AI along the way. GoDaddy.com is like a domain name marketplace. So if you're going to have a website, you obviously need to have a website name that is similar to your business name so that people can find you. It doesn't make sense to have a company such as Smart Sky Studios and then to find my website, to find some of the work that I'm doing, you have to go to thisismyplace.com. That doesn't make any sense. So if you can match your business name with your domain name, you're going to be okay. One of the things that I saw that GoDaddy.com offers is a full suite of marketing. That I found very interesting is that it has a social post calendar under the marketing section. And so I can have a calendar pre-planned for myself. I can figure out exactly what I'm going to be posting on which day based off of these AI recommendations. All right, so now I have a legitimate business. I own an LLC. I have produced through the assistance of AI a company. All right, so what's next? Now I have a business. What I want to do next is I need to understand that, hey, all right, I want to make money. That's what this is about. I'm not trying to sit here and just only take pictures and videos. I've been doing that. But since I decided, hey, I want to make some money, now I need to figure out how to do that. So legally in the United States of America, you have to go ahead and get something called a commercial pilot's license. To make money with a drone, to get paid for services that you produce, you do have to acquire a FAA certification. So I'm a registered drone pilot with the FAA. If I'm going to receive any sort of money, I have to have this legally or I can get into a lot of trouble. So going back to the theme of AI with this business, in a way, this drone actually has a bit of AI built in. This is a DJI Mini 3 Pro. Now the Pro, what that does, it has sensors all around, I don't know if you can see that, all around the drone, okay? So these cameras, they also act as sensors. And what it does is able to use obstacle avoidance. Now, with the use of some software as well as the cameras, it's able to do things like orbit, subject tracking. These sort of things are AI based. So AI is already helping me produce some of these videos that I want to make, and it can also assist me in what potential clients may want. Using an orbit function, for instance, manually with the controls, it can be very difficult to sit there and watch your surrounding with obstacles. Watch out for birds. You press a button and it does its thing, right? That's where we're at. These AI is basically built into a lot of these drones. We just have to use it properly. So since I do have experience flying the drone, I'm able to operate it. My issue is I need to use AI to try and assist me in the business aspect, okay? So if I can do things like this and this all around the country, I should be able to find somebody that wants to pay me for it. So I am just starting this journey. I do have a business now. Next video might be logo producing, branding, just simply practicing getting a bank account. I don't know. So now that I have a legitimate drone photography company, something that I can generate income with through the use of AI, I want to know what else can ChatGPT and other AI services assist me with while I maintain my full-time job, being a dad, and enjoying my life at the same time. Hopefully you can join me on this journey. I would really like to try to get some feedback. not perfect. I don't know how to do YouTube that well. I'm gonna figure it out. I'm determined. But thank you for watching.